How Nanos AI benefits my ad campaign. If you're new to Nanos, you're probably wondering what exactly AI can do for your ad campaign. Or why don't I just go directly to Google or Facebook and do it myself? Or hire a traditional non-AI marketing agency to do the job for me?
That's not so easy, Sabrina.
Nanos AI works in many ways to not only create but also optimize your online ad campaigns. Here's what Nanos can do for you. Number 1. Deciding on your ad text. Once you open your free account with Nanos and start creating your free website or your paid ad, Nanos AI starts working for you immediately. Nanos AI advertising technology will suggest you the title and description of your ad based on the information from your website. Why? It's just sometimes difficult, even for a professional marketer, to quickly come up with a likable and visually appealing ad that has a catchy headline and a description.
Advertisement. Boo.
The ad provided to you by Nanos will also be grammatically correct and contextual. So it means that it's relevant to your website or a landing page where it will drive your traffic to. Number 2, determining your ad budget. The next important step is your budget. We get this same question so many times. How much money should I invest in my ad? The answer is this simple. If it's your first campaign, spend as much money as you're prepared to set aside on learning about your potential customers, what platforms work better for you to advertise on, and whether a particular image, video, and text is working for your intended audience. Here's another tip. Run your first ad as long as you can, so you learn as much as possible about your campaign. And this is where Nanos AI kicks in again, even stronger. Your campaign budget, if your campaign budget is greater than $5 daily, it will put your ad on several platforms and optimize it to achieve the best return on investment. If Nanos AI has never seen the campaign before, we usually start with all platforms and equal amounts. Starting from the day 2, it will reshuffle the budgets toward the most effective platform for your ad. Towards day 6, the AI will reach its confidence in your ad. This is why campaigns that run for more than 7 days are the most effective, as the technology had enough time to learn about the ad and experiment with various optimizations. The expected return on investment when placing an ad with Nanos is equal to or higher than on Facebook or Google or Instagram, because in addition to Google and Facebook algorithms, we are adding our own AI algorithms to improve your campaign performance. Number 3, Nanos helps you with optimizing your keywords and interests. The third and very important element of AI at Nanos is that will also optimize your keywords and interests for your ad. Marketing involves a lot of experimenting, which is why it can easily get out of control. You can spend an enormous amount of time and money to optimize your keywords for Google and interests for Facebook and Instagram if you do it yourself. Every day, Nanos will automatically optimize your keywords and interests, disregarding too expensive or poorly performing ones, and replacing them with keywords and interests that are more likely to work for your ad. With Nanos AI becoming more and more intelligent and being able to detect any potential ad issues faster, it offers a promising look into the future of digital marketing. It is very easy to take advantage of AI technology for your business. Nanos proves this with great results.
It's a breakthrough in artificial intelligence.
Miracle breakthrough? There's been a miracle breakthrough?
To learn more about Nanos advertising technology, schedule a consultation with us or visit our website and start your ad campaign with Nanos today.